In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a feedback form in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you click on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it and you'll see this massive list of widgets that you can choose from. I want you to focus on the form section right here in the middle, and I want you to click on Form Builder. And then you'll be taken to the Form Builder widget page. From here, click on Create Widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the template section. On the left hand side here, as you can see, I have a bunch of different templates that you can choose from, and then on the right hand side, you have a fully interactive preview of what the selected template will look like on your Wix website. This right here is for desktop, but if you click the mobile icon, you also get a mobile view for it as well. Now, in our case, since you want to create a feedback form, what I want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom here and look for the feedback forms template section. So click on that, and then you will see all the different feedback form templates that you can choose from. Now, bear in mind that these templates are not final in terms of design. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen right here, both in terms of interactivity, functionality, as well as design. I'm going to show you how to do all of that in the next section. In my particular case, I want to go for let's just see, maybe this form right here. It doesn't have to come from the site, by the way, so we can actually have it embedded onto the website itself. It doesn't need to be kind of like a button on the side. But yeah, once you have selected the template that you want to go with, go ahead and click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then you'll be taken to this section, which is where we can start customizing the form. So the first thing you want to do here is obviously go ahead and build out your form. Now here are all the different fields that are added to this particular form. So for example, you have your name, your email address, your date of visit, type of feedback, and a bunch of other options. They're all on the right hand side here. If you want to delete any of these, so for example, if you want to delete the consent here, which I don't recommend, make sure you have this, click on delete, and then you'll see that it disappears from the bottom of the form. Then of course, if you want to go ahead and add a certain element, click on add field right here, and then choose from one of these right here. Then click on done. In my case, I'm not going to add any other ones. Then at the bottom here, you also see header, submit button, footer, and success message. This is some more customizations that you can take advantage of to build out your form. So for example, if you go to the header section here and let's just say disable the header, as you can see, it gets disabled. But at the moment, this is the title, the caption, you can add a cover image and a logo, and obviously choose how you want to align the text. In my case, I'm not going to touch any of this. Now, if you can't seem to build the feedback form that you want, then you can take advantage of Elfsight's AI form builder. So click on generate form right here and describe the type of form that you're looking for and what kind of functionality you want it to have. So for example, if you want it to accept attachments, you can go ahead and obviously add that in here. Then click on generate, and the AI will automatically generate the correct feedback form based on your specifications. At the bottom here, as you can see, you have some instructions that you can follow, but yeah, it's all pretty self-explanatory. Once you're done with building out your form, on the left hand side you also see email, layout, appearance, and settings, as well as integrations, by the way. Yeah, these are some more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your feedback form. So for example, if you go to layout right here, currently we have the floating pane, which is not what I want. I want to be able to position my feedback form on the website wherever I want. So I'm going to click on inline right here, and that basically allows me to shift and move the form to any section of my Wix website. Then at the bottom here, you also have form layout. I'm going to keep mine vertical. In terms of appearance, you can change it from light to dark mode like this. I'm going to keep it light. You can change the style here, as you can see. You can change the background. So at the moment, it's transparent. I'm going to make it white like this because I want it to stand out around on the website. It doesn't have to be a color, by the way. It could be a gradient, image, or a video. And then you can also have it rounded like this, or, you know, there's lots of different customizations you can take advantage of here. I'm not going to go for every single one because that can take me all day. I'll leave this up to you to explore at your own pace. But once you're ready with customizing your feedback form, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then your feedback form widget will be saved up. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we need to publish the widget. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see this green publish button. Go ahead, click on it to publish the widget, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, such as have more than one widget from Elfsight on your Wix website, or if you expect to get more than 200 visitors on your website that might see the widget, then obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. So you can see they have quite a few different options that you can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get saved quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. In my case, since I'm making a tutorial video, I am going to go for this plan right here. As you can see, it's already been selected. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you'll automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your feedback form widget. It will look just like this. From here, click on copy code, and then let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. As you can see, I'm already in the editor of my Wix website and on the page where I want my feedback form added to. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and highlight the section where I want my form added to, and then in the top right corner of the screen, I want you to click on the search button right here and search for HTML. Then underneath Add to Site, you will see Embeds right here. Click on that, and then on the left hand side, you'll see this window open up. Here, I want you to click on this plus button that says Add to Site, where it says Embed HTML. And what that's going to do is add this code block to your section here. From here, make sure that this is set to code, and then simply paste the code that we just copied previously from Elfsight. Click on Update, and all you have to do now is go ahead and resize the form accordingly. And there you have it. Here is my form added to my Wix website. As you can see, it's fully interactive, and I can provide the rating as well as all of the information that I can type in into the form itself. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a feedback form in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.